When I was in the office, there's a Bubbly machine. Are you aware of this?
I'm fully aware of the Bubbly machine. Full bubbed?
Full bub.
Yeah.
So I've learned my lesson. When I'm in the office all day, bubbles.
Yep.
Seltzies, love it. We're slamming.
Really? You seltz it?
I seltz it all day.
That's
I'm a
shocking. No
seltzy.
one seltz it.
Oh, I'm seltzy
Always
all day.
still. That's insane.
When you leave the office, you got to go still. So seltzy all day, and then water when I leave. So we have the bubble machine.
Yeah.
We
Digital water fountain for
digital
those.
water fountain that you can add flavors.
Yeah, we got flavors.
What flavors you got?
Lemon, grapefruit, 2 others that no one uses.
Okay, same setup. We got lemon, we got grapefruit, we got peach,
Yeah.
and we got black cherry.
Yes. That's the same.
The black cherry has sugar in it.
Yeah, it's got 5 grams
It's
sugar.
disgusting.
Yeah.